So, so I'm trying to basically change the. Let me put it on. I'm trying to get the. Oh, I don't think it's there actually. No. Okay. I've got another one. Let's see. Oh, it's not there, is it? No. Sorry. I think it's this one. There we go. Basically, yeah, there it is. Okay, that's what's wrong. So I've altered it basically. Sorry. To fatten that line up because it was a bit too thin, and also fill these in so that it gives it a bit more substance. I don't know why I had to do that because it worked on the other one. They had the ring there and it was no problems. But of course the main issue is getting it off. I basically snapped it, so this stuff is not as strong, shall we say, or it's more brittle. It is more brittle. Now there are ways of dealing with that, and I actually printed two. And look at this one. I mean, I had to chew that one off basically. I printed both at the same time. It's not. There's no stickiness at all actually, so I like that. Yeah, because the Anycubic tends to be a little bit sticky at the end of it when it's printed, whereas this is dry, it's bone dry. So in that sense, it's great. Yeah. The way to solve this, I think, well, basically the way to solve this is to actually put an air gap underneath it and put it onto stilts, and then you just break the stilts off, and then it comes away like this. But we have got the roof bonnet shape thing, and the discs are, well, the discs were on anyway, but they're now filled in, and that's done okay, and it's turned out okay. I had to dick around a lot to get it to print it properly, though. That's the thing. But it is good, and obviously the quality is high, of the print itself. We've got nice sharp corners and stuff. We don't have any lines or anything like that. It's good. Yeah. But as you can see, I've had to, I just taped it back together so we could actually see it assembled. Yeah. So I like the fact that this is actually very dry, whereas the Anycubic stuff is still a bit gungy. Yeah. I actually altered the way it printed as well, so that it spent less time doing the bottom, because I thought that would actually help, but it obviously hasn't. So I'll have to revert that setting. But I don't know. This is cheap stuff. I think it was like a tenner. I got 2 litres at once, and it was 20 quid or something for the 2 litres. So it's cheap. So obviously you're sacrificing something for the cheapness, but I think it will print okay. I just need to get the right way. Putting it on stilts seems to be the way, or printing it the other way so that the text is the stilts, as if it were, but then you'd need extra around there, so I think it'd ruin the face. The back, if it comes out a bit knobbly, it doesn't matter because you don't see it. It's the face that matters. What a mess, eh? They were 2 printed together, I think, that way, like that, and then this one was kind of like that. Mess. Never mind.